In the crowded market of project management software, each tool aims to carve out its niche by emphasizing particular strengths. When we look at Zoho Projects, a prominent offering from the vast Zoho suite, it's natural to ask, what is its primary focus? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Zoho Projects primarily focuses on providing a comprehensive yet user-friendly platform for teams of all sizes to plan, track, and collaborate on projects effectively, with a strong emphasis on detailed task management and visibility. It's designed to be a versatile work hub, enabling structured project execution from initiation to closure, ensuring that teams stay organized, communicate seamlessly, and deliver results on time and within budget. Let's delve into the key aspects that define Zoho Projects' primary focus. 1. Robust task management and planning. At its core, Zoho Projects excels in breaking down complex projects into manageable components. This is perhaps its most fundamental and strongest area of focus. It provides a hierarchical structure for organizing work. Portals, your overall workspace, often representing your company or a major division. Projects, the main initiatives you undertake. Phases, major stages within a project. Task lists, groups of related tasks within a phase. Tasks and subtasks, individual work items that can be assigned, given due dates, and tracked. This detailed breakdown is crucial for any project, big or small. Zoho Projects provides various ways to visualize and manage these tasks, including Gantt charts, a classic and powerful tool for visualizing project timelines, setting dependencies between tasks, identifying critical paths, and tracking progress against a baseline. This is where you can clearly see how one task's delay impacts others. Kanban boards, ideal for teams that prefer a visual, agile approach, allowing tasks to move through customizable columns, e.g., to do, in progress, review, done, via drag and drop. List view, a straightforward, detailed list of tasks with all relevant information at a glance. The emphasis here is on ensuring that every single piece of work, no matter how small, is accounted for, assigned, and tracked. This granular control helps project managers maintain clarity, prevent tasks from falling through the cracks, and ensure accountability. 2. Streamlined collaboration and communication. Projects are inherently collaborative, and Zoho Projects places a significant focus on facilitating smooth communication among team members and stakeholders. It aims to reduce reliance on scattered emails and external chat applications by centralizing project-related discussions. Key collaboration features include feed/activity streams, a social media-like feed within each project where team members can post updates, ask questions, share files, and comment on tasks. This keeps everyone informed in real time. Internal chat, dedicated chat rooms for projects or teams to enable quick discussions. Forums, discussions for more in-depth discussions. Brainstorming, or knowledge sharing that requires a more structured, persistent thread. Document management, a central repository for all project-related files, allowing for version control, online editing, and easy sharing. This ensures everyone is always working on the latest version of a document. Client portal, as discussed in a previous article, this allows clients to view invoices, estimates, and project progress, and directly communicate with the team within a secure environment, fostering transparency and trust. The goal is to keep all project conversations within the context of the project itself, making it easier to track decisions, access relevant information, and ensure everyone is on the same page, regardless of their physical location. 3. Comprehensive time tracking and reporting. For any project-based business, particularly service-oriented ones, accurate time tracking is paramount for billing clients, monitoring team productivity, and staying within budget. Zoho Projects offers robust tools in this area. Timesheets, easy logging of billable and non-billable hours, either manually or using built-in timers. This data can then be used for invoicing. Resource utilization reports, providing insights into team members' workloads, helping to prevent burnout or underutilization, and enabling better resource allocation. Budget tracking, monitoring planned costs versus actual expenditures to keep projects financially on track. Detailed reports and dashboards, offering a variety of customizable reports on task status, progress, issues, time logged, and financial health. These reports provide project managers with the insights needed to make informed decisions and communicate effectively with stakeholders. This focus on tracking ensures that project managers not only know what needs to be done, but also how long it's taking, who is doing it, and how much it's costing, which is fundamental to successful project control. 4. Versatility across project methodologies. While some tools lean heavily into Agile or Waterfall, Zoho Projects aims for versatility. It supports both traditional, Waterfall, projects with its strong Gantt chart capabilities and detailed planning, as well as Agile methodologies through its Kanban boards and issue tracking. This flexibility means it can adapt to various team preferences and project complexities across different industries, e.g., IT, marketing, construction, consulting, education. Who is Zoho Projects' primary focus for? Given these core strengths, Zoho Projects' primary focus is on small to medium-sized businesses, agencies, and teams within larger organizations that need a cost-effective yet powerful solution to manage multiple projects. It's particularly well-suited for those who value detailed task planning and tracking, require strong collaboration tools within the platform, need robust time tracking for billing and resource management, appreciate the flexibility of working with both traditional and agile approaches, are already part of the wider Zoho ecosystem or are considering it for integrated business operations. In essence, Zoho Projects is designed to bring structure, transparency, and efficiency to project execution. It empowers project managers and their teams to navigate the complexities of projects by providing the tools necessary for meticulous planning, real-time collaboration, and insightful progress monitoring. It's about ensuring that projects are not just started, but successfully completed, with all stakeholders informed and aligned throughout the journey.